In April of this year, I got my car back from my body shop. It's been in there twice in 2024, and look what happened to the insulation in my hood. It was a mess. It was so gross. I opened it up and cleaned it up, prepared it best I could, sprayed peppermint oil all over my engine and everything else in there because I read that that repels rodents. And I'm going to be posting a lot of videos in the next few weeks about my attempts to get rid of little creatures that are on my carport, in my car, on my deck, and on my porch. Stick with me. I will post some other things, but I've got to get rid of some of these things. I am the dominant species. I will win. If you don't like seeing dead creatures, you may want to skip these videos for the next few weeks. I'm going to get this critter, or these critters. I have an electronic mousetrap set. I have my 2 have a heart set, and they have rat bait and peanut butter back in them. And I know that the rat's not going to be heavy enough to set these things off, but they can still get in there and eat it. Have one set of mouse tripped this one last night, got the peanut butter, so I put the peanut butter a little bit deeper in there. I think I put it on the wrong place last night. And I have 2 taro sticky traps set with a dab of peanut butter in the middle. Surely I'll get something tonight. Caught a little lizard. Stupid rat just rolled around on the sticky trap, got fur on it. And they just ate the peanut butter and left the rat bait from both traps. So far it's mice or rats for the win, Kim for the lose.